But then when it comes to give you the analysis of the data is not exactly, but when it comes to analysis, videos out there in YouTube that showed you can just copy paste your data set, and ChatGPT 4 gives you some answers about the data set that you have, some insights. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just try a really simple data set, which is really small one. I simply copy and paste it to ChatGPT 4. But before that, I just say, this is my data set, and I just put the whole thing here. Let's see what happens. Interesting. That's really interesting. Yep. So it gives you the overall description of the data set that you have. Everything there. So if you have a data set that you don't know exactly what are the columns, it can describe for you actually what are the data set actually is that. Now it asks me that do you need any assistant for analysis of the data set. Now let me just so let's just ask this question. What is the let's say it like that. Which one of these cars are most powerful? GPT-4. Okay. So you understand that it has to look at the horsepower, especially the engine horsepower. Where the top 3 cars, highest horsepower, this is Maserati Bora, 335, Ford Pantera, 264, Chrysler Imperial, 230 horsepower. The most powerful data set. Okay, let's see if it is correct or not. Because let's just look. Maserati Bora, the horsepower should be, okay, it's much easier to look at here. Maserati Bora is here, and the horsepower is 335. 335, that's correct. Ford Pantera 264, which is correct. And Chrysler Imperial 230. Chrysler Imperial 230. Huh. Okay. So it's correct now. But are they the most powerful one? 335, 264. Oh, there's this 245. So you see, there is this this one, Camaro, 245, and then there is a Valiant. No, sorry, the Duster, 245. So it doesn't get that one as a. It gets the most powerful one, but it doesn't get the third one. Goes wrong on the third one. let's just say, let's just ask it. Let's just ask that let's ask the Camaro Z28, yeah? Let's just ask. But based on the dataset Camaro Z28 should be on this list. Yep. Let's see, what does it say? Okay, so you're correct. Based on the horsepower column, the top 3 most powerful cars and are Maserati Bora 335, 264, and Camaro Z20 245 Camaro. Yeah, so you can see that you can get things wrong. And the other thing that I remember was that there was another 245 here. I can just put it here as a Duster 360. Let's just ask again. So, are you sure this is the let's say, are you sure that this list is correct? What about Duster? You're correct. My previous response was inaccurate. I apologize for the confusion. Based on it is a revised list of 3 most powerful cars: Maserati 3, Ford Pantera, HP, Duster 360. So basically, it doesn't understand that both of them 245. It can be both of them. Oh, actually it says it's the same. Tied for them. Okay, so I understand that. So you should be really careful about this. Now, I just wanted to do more analysis on that, because you can easily do that. You can just ask, for instance, you can ask, do we have the weight here? I think we have weight. WT is the weight, yeah? Let's just ask, what is the most powerful car based on weight to, or power to weight ratio? Power to weight ratio. So it's more complicated one, yeah? So now it has to calculate, explain to you, power to weight ratio, need to divide the horsepower, HP, by WT. For each car here, I will list the top 3 cars with the highest power to relation. Lotus 3, yeah, Maserati 335, 3.757. Okay, so it's really interesting. I don't even bother going through calculation of what calculation is correct or not, but just by looking at the list, you can realize that the order is wrong. So, let's just ask again. Are you sure? Are you sure this list? Are you sure the order of this list correct? Yeah, apologize for confusion. In my previous response, I made an error in the calculation. Here is the corrected list of top 3 cars with the highest power ratio. Maserati brought up. Fort Pantera is the second one. Yeah. I have this suspicion. Maybe if we explicitly tell ChatGPT 4 to order it afterward, maybe that works. Let's do something else. Let's calculate something else. Let's just say, let's calculate the most powerful per cylinder. Yeah, yeah. Let's just and then ask it. Okay, what is the most powerful per cylinder? Please show me top 3 in descending order. Descending order. Okay, divide the horsepower by the number of cylinder for each car. Here's the revised list of top. Why is it revised? Okay. 41, Ford Pantera, 33, 29. At least the order is correct. Yeah. Okay, so the order is correct now. But what we learn here is that definitely you can use it. You can use ChatGPT 4, especially if you have a data set that you don't know what are the columns and you are not sure about them. It can kind of give you a really nice explanation. What are the, like I didn't know what drat is, but it says real acceleration. I trust it, maybe it's correct. Q second, quarter mile time, it's really interesting, the whole thing here. But when it comes to the analysis of data, it just you cannot trust it. You should be careful about it. So yeah, data analysts are safe for now. So until next video.